విద్యా రంగంలోనే అగ్రగామిగా నిలిచిన విద్యా సంస్థ మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్స్. ఫోన్ 227115 మరియు 277022.
Hello and welcome to class 10 mathematics. Now video class number 11. Previously I have completed first chapter real numbers, exercise 1, 2, 3, 4. The all are relation between real numbers. Now here exercise 1.5 is given, but it is one more other concept. What the concept here is given about the logarithms. What is given about the logarithms? So first you write here logarithms. Now we are new topic about the logarithms. You know some formulas in logarithms I have written here. In textbook is also there. See your page number 24. Summary is there. In summary, some formulas are given for the logarithms. Which formulas they are given here? First formula, a log of a power n is equal to n. Second, log of a x power y, log of a power x plus log of a power y. That means multiplication means you will get here plus. Third, log of a x power y is equal log a power x minus log a power y. And fourth, log of a power x power n, that is equal m log of a power x. So your real number topic chapter is going on, but exercise 1.5 they are introduced one more new topic. What the topic they are introduced? About the logarithm. The logarithm have some formulas is there in page number 24. In summary they are given. You read the summary and at least you have to write 2 or 3 times in your rough notes about the some formulas whatever they are given. Whenever multiply, the multiply when you have to expand, that will becomes to the positive. Again divided means you will get here negative symbol. Log of a power x power m is equal to a m log of a power x. And the 4 is given. One more 2 I have written here. 150 is there here. For example, log of a power a. Log of a power a. The answer is always 1. Sir, we give some example. Log of 12 base and power is also 12. The answer is always 1. Whenever the power and bases are equal, the answer of the logarithm is always 1. Again once, this is the one more thing. And one more other thing is there, you have written log of a here n is there, here a is there. One subject, a power n a. The answer will becomes to the 1 by n. 1 by n. Again once again, a log of a power n. The a is the base, the log of a is the power. The answer becomes to the n. Multiplication positive. Division between minus symbol. And log of a power x power n, m log a power x. The base and power both are equal. The answer considered as a 1. And for example, log 12 power 10 or log 10 power 10. The base and power both are equal. The answer considered as a 1. Log of a power n a. The answer becomes to the 1 by n. This is the formulas. First of all, whenever it goes to the exercise, first you have to follow the formulas and read it and write in your rough notes. Now come to the exercise. Exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5. Question number 1. What is the given the first question? Determine the value of the following. Determine the value of the following. Question number 1. Log of 25 is base is there and 5 is there. So first you have to write 25 have to write 5 squares. 5 5s. So here 5 is there, here 2 is there, here 5 is there. Already I have written the sixth formula. What I have written the sixth formula? I have written here. Log of a power n by a is equal to a means here how much? 5. N means how much here? 2. That means what is the answer? 1 by n. That means how to write? So 1 by n value how much is there here? 2. So what is our answer? 1 by 2. Again once revision. Log of 25, 5 is given. The base how much they are given? 25. 25 have written 5 square. 5 to 5. 5 is 8 and n is 2. That means you have to write 1 by n. That means you have to write in place of n 2. So your answer is 1 by 2. Now come to the second question. What is the given the second question here? Log of 81 3. You take the LCM of 81. 27 9. How many times? The 81 will come to the 3 power 4 times. How many times 3 will occur? 4 times. So how to write? Log of 3 power 4 by 3. Same logic. Log of a power n by 8. That is equal to 1 by n. N means here how much is there? 4. That means your answer is 1 by 4. First of all, the 81 you have to write 5 factors. 3 will occur 4 times. That means 3 power 4 times. Then 81 plus you have to replace 3 power 4. Log of a power n a, that is equal to 1 by n. That is your answer is 1 by 4. Here totally 9 questions are there. In 9 questions you can do some such questions. For example, question number 4 you have to observe. Question number 4. Log of 7 power 1. Here base is the different and power is the different. Here 5, 3, 4, some related is there, but here non-related. Nothing is there, is very difficult. There is no matching. So such questions is answer is always becomes to the 0. Log, for example, they will be any type of 7 4 1. How much answer? 0. There are not any matching is there. If there matching there, we have to put in a formula. If there is no matching, so directly have the right answer is 0. See, for example, here question number 6. What is the question number 6? They are given log of 2 pi power 12. It is given. Which question is given here? Log 2 pi power 12. Now we are taking the LCM of 512. Log 2 512. You take LCM of 512. 2 how many times it is occurs? I think 256. Again start with 2. 128. Again start with 2. 64. 2 32. 2 16. 2 8. 2 4. 2 2s. 2 1s. How many times it is occurs? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Whatever number they will do, first of all you have to find the LCM. 512, how many times you have to write here? Log of 2 is the base and 2 power 9. I said one formula. Log of, here you write here, log of a power x whole power n. That is equal m of log of a power x. The power comes to the front. It will become to the front. That means 9 log of 2 power 2. Here base is 2 and power is also 2. whenever the base and power should be equal, the base and power should be equal, the answer you have to consider is A, because log of A power A, that is equal to 1. Here 2 is 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, whatever there, the power and base should be equal, the answer will come to the 1. So 9 into 1, so your answer is 9. Again once written. What the question is given? 512. The 512 you have to take the LCM. After LCM, the 2 occur how many times? 9 times. So you should be like 2 power 9. The 9 comes to the power, comes to the front before of the log. Log 2 and 2. Whenever the both are equal, log A, the answer is 1. Log 5, 5, the answer is 1. Log 10 and 10, the answer is 1. So this whatever I have how to put the circle, the circle answer is becomes to the 1. So 9 ones how much answer is you are getting? 9. Now see one more other question. Log of 10 power 0.01. This is the question is given. Log of 10 power 0.01. First, you have to write log of 10. After decimal, how many digits are there? 2 digits. That means how to write 1 by 100. After decimal, 2 digits are there. So 1 digit means you have to write 10, and 2 digits means 100, and 3 digits means you have to write in the denominator 1000. So after log of 10, 10 is there, 1 by 10. 1 by 100 means you have to write, let it know, 1 by 100 you have to write 1 by 10 square. That means that will be close to the 10 power minus 2. 1 by 100 means you have to write 1 by 10 square. 1 by 10 square means 10 power minus 2, you know very well. X power minus m is equal to 1 by x power of n. So a power of minus m is equal to 1 by a power n. This is we are using here. So how to write this is 10 power of minus 2. The minus 2 comes to the front. Minus 2 into log of 10 power 10. I said previous also, whenever this both are equal based on the here initial values, the answer is always becomes to the 1. Now your answer is minus 2 into 1 plus answer is minus 2. Okay? So what 0.01, they have written 1 by 100. 1 by 100 how to write 10 power minus 2. The minus 2 comes to the front. 10 and 10, both are equal. Both are equal means answer considered as a 1. Then minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2. But in our textbook the answer is given minus 3. You don't worry, either it is a printing mistake or some other problem is there. So when you see the answer, you said, "Arey sir, he given answer minus 2." But in our textbook is minus 3. So answer is not important. Important is the process is important. What the process I have given, you listen here. Either minus 2, minus 3 means that is the some difficult mistake is the problem is there. Okay. So what the answer you have to consider? Minus 2. You see one more question is also there. Last question is here, one more question is there. 9th question is given here. 2 plus 2 log of 2. So you have written separately both are. X power m plus n is equal to, you know, x power m into x power n. Studied in the 7th class. X power m plus n is equal to x power m into x power n. Here x means 2. 2 square into 2 log of 2. 2 square value, you know, 4. I have written one more formula. A power of log a power n, that is equal to answer is n. Again once written. A power of log a power n is equal to only n. Whenever you know the formulas very well, then only you are understanding about the questions. First you read the formulas. Again once written. What the base is there? A. Log of a power n is equal to what is the answer? N. You come to the here. What is the base here? 2. Here also is there 2. In place of n, how much is there here? 3. Then what the answer will be again total? The circle answer. This total circle answer how much? 3. So now we come to the 4 3's. What is your answer? 12. Again again once written. Now we have to fill in expand form. X power m plus n is equal to x power m into x power n. Okay, first of all, you get it. Then after, 2 log of 2 cube. I'll say it again once written. A log of a power n is equal to what is answer? N. Here a means 2, n means 3. So answer is 3. 4 3 is how much? 12. Okay. Now you write your homework questions. So some questions in exercise 1.5 first question. I said some questions are left. The remaining questions I am giving you here as a homework. You do it. So which questions are left here? Homework questions. Determine the values. Determine the values. Question number 1. Log 2 1 by 60. Question number 1. Log of x. Root x is the one more other question. And log 2 by 3. And the bracket 8 by 27. Okay. These 3 questions you can do as a homework. Total here 9 questions are there. Out of 9 I explained 6 questions and other remaining 3 questions given for homework. We can do these 3 questions as a homework. Okay. So you read the formulas very well. And each and every question you write the formula. When you have done the question, immediately you have to write the formula inside. Okay. Thank you.